Welcome to the Stickman classroom. Today, we're teaching our AI student how to recognize apples. And by watching this process, you'll understand how all AI learns. Meet our student. He's never seen an apple before. He knows nothing. He's a blank slate, just like AI before training. The teacher shows the first apple picture and says, "This is an apple." The student looks confused. Okay, but what makes it an apple? Here's where AI is different from human learning. Our student doesn't understand concepts. He can only recognize patterns. So we need to show him many examples. Red apples, green apples, apples with stems, apples without stems, big apples, small apples. The student's brain starts noticing patterns. He's not thinking apples are fruit that grow on trees. He's thinking in patterns. Apples tend to be roundish. They have this color range. They have this texture. There's often a stem area on top. Internally, he's actually creating mathematical formulas, weights and probabilities. If it's 70% round, 80% in the red-green color range, and 60% has a stem indent, it's probably an apple. But here's the crucial part. The teacher now shows an orange. What's this? The confused student responds, It's round like an apple, but wrong color, no stem. I'm 30% confident it's an apple? No, this is an orange. This is called training. Every time the student gets it wrong, he adjusts his internal formulas. Okay, I gave too much weight to roundness. Let me increase the importance of color and stem presence. Now imagine we have thousands of students, and each one is adjusting their formulas slightly differently. Some focus more on color, some focus more on shape, some focus on texture. When we show them a new picture, they all vote. The ones who got it right most often in training get the biggest vote. That's how AI makes decisions. It's committee voting based on patterns. One student raises his hand and asks, "Teacher, will I ever actually understand what an apple is? Like, know it's a fruit, that it grows on trees, that it tastes sweet?" The teacher shakes her head. No, you'll only ever recognize the pattern of appleness. You'll never taste one, never understand the concept. You'll just be really good at spotting the pattern. And that's the key difference between AI learning and human learning. Humans learn concepts. AI learns patterns. Humans need a few examples. AI needs thousands or millions. But here's why this matters in the real world. Every AI you interact with was trained this way. Your face recognition, trained on millions of faces. Your spam filter, trained on millions of emails. Medical diagnosis AI, trained on millions of patient records. Once training is done, the AI graduates and gets deployed. But it never truly stops being that student in the classroom, only recognizing patterns it's seen before. Now a new, weird hybrid apple-orange appears. The student says confidently, "That's an apple." But the teacher corrects, "Actually, that's a genetic hybrid we just created last week. You've never seen it before." The student shows error symbols and confusion. And here's the limitation. If the pattern is too different from training, AI fails. It can't reason through new situations. It can only match against patterns it already knows. So the next time someone says AI learns, remember the Stickman classroom. Yes, it learns, but it learns differently. It's pattern matching, not understanding. And knowing that difference helps you know when to trust AI and when you need human judgment. Humans bring understanding and reasoning. AI brings pattern recognition at scale. Class dismissed. But before you go, remember, AI isn't magic. It's a student in a classroom, learning from examples, finding patterns, and occasionally getting things wrong when it sees something new. In the next video, we'll look at all the ways you're already using AI in your daily life without even realizing it. Spoiler, it's way more than you think. Thanks for attending class today. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep learning about AI without the hype. See you next time.